everybody, this is Megatread coming at you with a brand new video today. I have a little bit of help this time from our master mechanic, Mike. He's going to be telling you what this thing is and what it can do for you. Take it away, Mike.
This is Mike from Southside Tire and Auto. With our virus that's going around right now, we'd like to let you know that we can actually sanitize the air that's in your car, or it comes from the outside in. We have a chemical called Fresh. Did you get a good look at that? Oh yeah. It kills bacteria and freshens the air conditioning system. It's kind of cool in a way because when we spray this in there, the car smells really good for a while. This is an older car, so this one does not have what they call cabin air filter. This one here just draws air from the outside, and then it sucks it in through the AC system, the heat system, and then blows it out of the vents in your car. Like I say, with this being an older one, they don't have a filter. In the newer cars, we have a cabin air filter, and we'll get to that later. I have a different car for that one. So, it's hard to see, but right in here is an air vent. And right behind it's a screen. If you look right here, this is the blower motor. That's what causes the air to cycle in your car. So when you turn on the speeds, it turns its fans at different speeds and sucks in air. This is where it gets it from the outside, because of course you can't, when you hit the button in your car, it'll keep cycling the air inside the car, but it still needs something from the outside. So what we do is we take the Fresh, which is this stuff right here, and we'll spray it down in here when the fan is running. And as you can see, it gets it on the vents and it sticks to stuff. And there what it does is once it's stuck to something, it helps kill the bacteria, kill all the stuff that's in the filters or in the vents. We'll blow this whole can in through your car. It'll start coming out through the vents and it'll clean basically clean your AC and your heating systems from the inside out. Very nice thing to do, even if it isn't for the virus. Just a good thing to keep the inside of your car clean off the evaporator and things like that. There's a lot of crazy stuff that builds up in there. So, we'll be back in a couple minutes to do a different one with a cabin air filter. Have a good day. Thank you. Again, we're using Fresh, which is antibacterial. Same philosophy in this newer style car. Phil, go ahead and go on down there. I think you can see right in there. See where the filter's at? Can you see that in there, Phil?
Yeah.
And see all the dirt and everything? Dirt and all that stuff comes from the outside. That's where it's pulling air from the outside inside the car, and that's what that filter does. It catches all that stuff. So what we would do in this situation is I would pull this filter out. And as you can tell, that's all the dirt from the outside, from the inside, all of it goes through this, because like the other car, the blower motor, the fan that makes the air flow, is right underneath this. So what we would do is we would replace this filter. I'm gonna knock the stuff out of it. And then we would just spray the Fresh on top of this, just like that. And of course with the new filter and all, would look much prettier. But that would put the antibacterial on the filter, so that way you have it for another time. And then we would spray it through the vents just like we would in the other car, and that gets it inside the vents and cleans it out. It stays for quite a while, so that way it doesn't just today, it goes on until tomorrow for quite a long period of time. So welcome to Southside Tire and Auto. Come back and see us again now. Have a good day.
Great job, Mike. Thanks for helping me out on that one. Remember, this should be replaced every year or every 15,000 miles. The only thing that should be spreading around here is this video. So hit that share button, and I'll see you next time. This is Megatread from Southside Tire and Auto. Bye.